I've gone to a lot of continuing education, and Steve brings a considerable amount of knowledge and passion backed with science when he presents this information. It's a course really to help us help our patients and help others get healthy. Certainly fits in with the wellness protocol in your dental practice. It's not like some courses where it's all about how many patients you can bring in and how much money you're going to make per patient, et cetera, but he certainly gives you ways to incorporate sleep and your patient's well-being and health into your practice. And I would highly recommend it. He's enjoyable, he's down to earth, very knowledgeable, very smart, and again, very passionate.
Lamberg has the best delivery I've ever seen. His content is complete. His ability to convey the information that's in depth and complicated, he's able to make it very simple. And it's not about Steve, it's about helping people accomplish what they've come to accomplish in their learning, which ultimately becomes a benefit to the patients. So I have no hesitation in recommending Steve, and it's kind of, in fact, I wouldn't have invited him to speak to my group unless he was above average and beyond.
I can't wait to take it back to my office, everything that I learned today. I'll be going back and telling my patients on Monday morning just what I learned today.
So I met Steve at a dental course that we were both taking, and I realized my son needed to take his course, and so he brought down 4 staff members to Long Island to take the course, and they came back and said to me, now it's your turn, doctor, you've got to take the course. So now we're all online, moving in the same direction. If you want to learn about sleep apnea correctly, okay, I think this is the course that you should go to, because I've taken courses before and really never explained what you should do and shouldn't do, and the whole issues that you need to know to relate to the people you need to relate to, physicians, etc. And so if you're going to do it, you got to do it right, and you got to do it properly, and this is the place to learn that.
In our practice, we spend a lot of time with our patients talking about risk assessment, perio risk, biomechanical risk, function risk, and after hearing Steve's seminar the last couple of years, I've incorporated airway, because we talk about quality of life issues in our practice all the time, and there's no greater quality of life issue than sleep.
When it comes to sleep education and dental sleep medicine courses, Dr. Lamberg has one of the top courses that you're going to be able to attend. 2 days of very thorough and comprehensive information, hands-on training, and the opportunity to meet and greet and collaborate with other seasoned dentists and like-minded individuals. A great course. I've been to more than one, and I'd highly recommend Dr. Lamberg's seminar.
I feel very comfortable. I'm looking forward very much to going ahead and applying a lot of the information that I learned with Dr. Lamberg, and I wholeheartedly recommend this.
I met Steve at another lecture, and he convinced me to take this sleep apnea course. I'd never taken a sleep apnea course before, but I've always wanted to learn about it. And since I've taken this course, I've learned a lot more than I thought I'd ever would have. I'm very, very happy with the course. Would actually think about going back and taking it again because there's so much information to find out about it.
I came in never doing a sleep appliance, and I think by the end of tomorrow we should be pretty well set to do one. Kim, my hygienist, will be my first victim, my first patient for a splint, or first sleep appliance, so I'm looking forward to it. Should be a nice advantage for my patients and for our practice.